How to redeem Love2Shop gift card. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. In order to redeem your Love2Shop gift card in your browser, search for Love2Shop and tap on it. Now once you are in the official homepage of Love2Shop, you need to select the option of Buy Love2Shop online. Now you will be landed to the Love2Shop gift card options. To redeem one of the Love2Shop gift card, first and foremost you have to log in into your Love2Shop account. Tap on the user icon at the top and enter email address and your password. Once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on the user icon again and navigate to the section of Manage My Card. Now in here you will be seeing a dialog box where you can enter the gift card number. It will be of 16 digits at the back of your gift card. Make sure to enter the gift card number correctly. Now you will receive substantial discount if the gift card is valid and applicable in every purchase you do from Love2Shop. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.